Hello, Sal with Cucina Napolitano Show. Hello, everyone. Please subscribe. Hey, I am making Latino food tonight. I think it's called Polo a la Blanca, which is like a marinated polo, which is chicken. So, here we go. Those are the onions. That's last. Everyone have a good Valentine's? Here's the chicken. They say to keep it warm. And I'm plating it. I mean, I'm sorry, but this is unbelievable. I mean, the smells, everything. So here are the onions. And the garnish. This is... I gotta start cooking more Latino food. I just love it. Well, normally you put cilantro. I didn't have any, so I put mint. Take a look at that. Happy Saturday. Hasta luego. Cucina Napolitano Show. Please subscribe.